Hello everybody, let me introduce our new adjustable light steel nail cutter for you. You can cut from 38mm to 126mm. Okay, what you see now is the size for 38mm shear size, and then hold this one, pull the lever to 126mm. Okay, you can see it here. And what you do now is to put this one nail in, and then you push the lever like this, and you can see the height. You can cut 61. This one is 61mm height nail. Okay. Okay, so let me show you how to cut it now. Okay, first of all, you put this one in, and then you put it like this. Okay? Normally, you have to fix this base to a big table, and you lock this one, lock this base. Like this. Okay, and then you cut it like this. See? Very smoothly. Okay, let me cut more for you. Okay, you can see now it's very smooth. Every piece. Okay? Yes. So one unit to solve all your problems. Okay, thank you.